Hey YouTube fam, blessed day to you. Good morning, good morning. That you and your family having a beautiful day. I'm here in a different little space. Not a little kitchen, but like more like a little perfect kitchen. And I'm gonna make some breakfast with that. I kind of step out of my little regular kitchen for today. And sometime during the summer, you can look here. Heat is on and the water pressure low. And I want to make a breakfast. So that's the morning now.
Morning, everybody. Good morning.
So yeah, make a breakfast over here and talk with you now. I'm not sure if I'm going to eat with you, but at least we are shared thoughts. So I'm going to use. What am I really going to make that?
What am I make?
What am I going to Hey, parents, sometimes I call that family. Me just call him clueless when me ready and him vexing about me not care. Because him never ready for no question. I say, so and so. You hear him ask, you hear me say, where you going to make him repeat back the question. So when me ready, when me get mad pan him, I just call him clueless. And him not like it, but me not care. So, we're going to make some breakfast. So, look here, yesterday I'm going to go do a little shopping. Not really. Not even know if I call that shopping. I'm going to go something at price man. So, they tell Camera Corp say I want a little feed to eat like a bacon. I just wash up some little things on me. I'm gonna use a long time. I just find them and I carry them and I use them. So and I hope you all go and watch my pots, clean up pots and pan, and leave me a comment below. So you see the water run? So it can run ma. And I tell you, say, today was Friday, it was better Monday, you know. But we having water wars again, darling. But me still I give thanks, me still come out of the pipe. So, yeah, I was telling you that, me tell Coke from the other day, so she could buy a pack of bacon for me. She give me all kind of excuse and she end up not buying none. And me say she buy, I don't know, she buy something for herself, like balloon, me not really want that. So I went out yesterday, did a little pick up a few little things that I want to do what I have got to do. So I treat myself to a pack of bacon. So I said, okay. I didn't make dinner last night at all. Still kind of tired from the other day. So and the sun was so hot yesterday, ain't that?
Yeah, man.
So right now, you know, family, you as me I tell you now, right now. It's a sink here, idiot sink. This, you know, you throw the water just back up for me. But look here, they have all it one and me, I will feel my own. So I was telling Dad, how me that say? That I wanted red pea soup yesterday. But look here, never end up getting red pea soup, darling, because here what happened now. I'll tell you what happened now. Come back later when I come back. Sun hot. And me I try to stay up on the outside for the summer here, and guess what? It was really hot on me outside. I want to make the red pea soup on the outside. I never get to make it on the outside, so here I'm going to do them. I think I'm going to make it today. Red pea soup on a Friday, Dad now said no. So I'm going to make like a breakfast with me and him now. So here with me and him now. Here with me and him now. A different type of matches them here, party. Yeah. Yeah. The best stove this me ever own here. Best stove. This page you rather way through university. I want to go on here, so. You know, Alice, what you tell me, sir? So I get the gas to put. But we get all. So apparently, I don't know where they get the matches from. I'm seeing sister there and then they carry stuff and something. So this is something it end up with Nandra and nothing. So me have to use it for this. I never see them here. Show me how is a girl who can adjust to anything, you know. Tell them all the while, you know. So, I don't know why. What is that? I used it the other day and it was fine. Unless I went, oh yeah. Look like when sometimes you clean and the water get in there. Yeah, so. Yeah. And that's one right here, so. We're going to be making some eggs right on over here. So this is just a little, I'm going to look deep freeze this so I have, but I get it out of here, so I'm going to plug it out and I clean it out. So I'm not ready. I put that heavy pan it in, so put this right here. So I'm going to make eggs and bacon. I'm going to go 2 pieces of bacon. I'm not doing really no ads, but Other bacon I get, I don't know, I hope it's not salty. So I take out a few pieces and eat and put back the rest in another Ziploc. But comment and tell me where you all keep your bacon in the refrigerator. Cause I don't know. Some of them are fridge and when I have one of them, maybe I'm in the right fridge, but whatever. I need to make my tea first. So I only have to make tea. Dad making coffee already and God knows say. Oh no, say me a coffee no friend, but guess what? But I really drink some coffee this morning. But not the brew one. The what it name? Instant. So me I left my kettle for boil up. Make my cup of tea. I'm gonna get my frying pan them work with me in a little space here. This is gonna be a little summer space and we're gonna share it all with you. Remember, anything you see here is always real. If you don't like real, you know what you have to do. See? So bacons are in fam and me go watch you. You can't help me. Too used to be on a stove bed. So bacons are I need one stove lighter. I have one in a I can't never the hottest one, but I go for one night supermarket ready here. And I never see them, look at them, they run out. Yeah. So bacons are in right there. When last week bacon did, that's bacon. That is a cup of black Nesquik. You drink coffee already, right?
Yeah.
So I'm finish them an adult now. And them do them own something. Camera girl, I'm trying to that stove there. Camera girl, she'll come out. She'll come out, when she come out, she'll make a smoothie. A week we add week, we get all of our muscle gone. It's something hard to pull nowadays. You come party, you come in. I'm going to make full again at this. I don't see, but I still have to put for eye. Yeah, so she will come out and make a smoothie. She's doing her own thing, okay? She's an adult now, yeah? Long time, we're on YouTube, we're on YouTube with her phone. So she's an adult now, she's doing her own thing. I don't have to do anything for her. Jerry's this grown man gone to work. Yeah, in our own apartment over there, so me own a swing thing. Me and dad are we left on the block, you know, so we are to each other. But dad, you don't cook no food.
No, it's not.
So when you plan to cook for people, then say, Parry, no comment and show me, say, if you think you have to go up in your face, we have to put it right there and make you cook, show them. But you're an eater.
Sometimes.
Dad, you not eat much bad food. Comment, Parry, but look here. I tell them, you know. I say, me do Washout. Me take Washout the other day. And guess what? Girl appetite open up, you know. Me I tell you now. Them egg are begin. And this one, the set where we get this month not so big. I want the steel because them egg are never reach in my fridge, you know, brother. Them not thing there at all, them not fresh. I knew it because some fresh, some not fresh. You know, like scrambled egg, I just agree, but it end up my cousin scrambled egg, but not really. I really like scrambled egg. You know, scrambled egg from my day. So, wow. This bacon doesn't have a lot of oil though. Yeah. And this is a non-stick. Cool. This is the camouflage non-stick. But anyhow, it doesn't really matter. I don't like my bacon too crispy. Comment and tell me how you like your bacon, family. Tell me. You don't like my bacon. How you like your bacon, Dad? That's why you're not smelly way. You're not fussy. Yeah, that's not fussy. That's not fussy. But Daddy come here and do when the rain frightened people and put it a bacon and come here and do when they eat it together. That me a check. You have me to share. So, let's turn it down. You know about some of them package show something here where they might tell you, know, and have one stuff. Yeah. Look at egg I cook that one they scale though, but that's all. These two not bad. So I want to go and I'm going to put some ghosts over here. Some ghosts over here. Hello, Ducky. So this egg now come, I don't know where it come like, but maybe give that one here. Because we don't really like my egg dry out. This is good, eh? Yeah. I don't really like my egg dry out. The three of them put together. I think I want the three of them let me eat it and make ready. So me I tell you no Paris say, guess what I'm telling you? I something there, do the washout. I say from me do the washout. Girl appetite, me just feel for everything. Everything what we can think of to eat. Like something I say, oh girl, get it. Yeah, me if you know what me I do. So you see them just say, me say, so guess what? And I make no dinner. I never eat anything much still, you know, but I did go down in that curry mutton there. Me not lie, me did go down in it. I want to go on for some shell. What kind of vitamin shell give you? I don't know. Me I turn off the bacon. So, me wait for my egg them cuddle. I don't know about what kind of whatever I give myself. Guess what? Me say that a washout is good in a family. Yeah, the other way I take for you. You can see the back for you, you're lucky. So, I think I want to slice that tomato.
Malta, I tell you.
Yeah, I always buy myself that. So I'm going to cut out what you tell you.
You're large, you know?
I always buy myself that. So I'm going to cut out what let me tell them. I always buy myself them there. You know that. Me treat myself to them. I didn't do so at all. I always buy. Let me see what's going on with my eggs. Hey! When my egg has some workplace egg, man. I want to go on. If them dry in the pot, I want to go on for them. Must be outdated egg, just a little bit. I don't like something too dry, you know. I don't gravy smelly and so. But look here, I don't like anything too dry. I want a little moisture. After me age, I need moisture in my body. You know I like it. Or you know come in. I don't think nobody wants it. So, I'm going to turn off this now. And I'm going to eat. I'm going to make Dad look at something. Dad, me think say alright with that thing.
You're alright.
You're good. I'm going to show you so we're there on camera. You're chatting about you're good. You know, say I'm here. Whoa, we get a little burn. Got me a little burn. Very. Yeah, so if my egg then come out to them there, I love a little more stuff. You want them to look a bit dry, but if I sauce so we got here. This is mine. The bacon and nobody no can't have no other grease. I'm not telling no lie. I taste some little piece. I hope in a salty and I pray. It's not. Actually, it's good. Let's take another pot. Guys, I'm me and Dad. My hands are clean.
Yeah, I'm good with that.
Me and the husband breakfast. You don't want more?
No.
Then I'm the whole pack. You don't want butter coffee?
Yeah, alright.
You want butter? Do you or do you not? Look here. Me want it. I want butter. I don't do no kidneys and breakfast.
Alright, put it now.
So you're going like you don't want to eat it. You want people to say, oh, Daddy's a nice boy. I wish they're sitting there, yeah. Hold on there, brother. May I wash one tomato, I soon come. Yeah, crackers. Dad said never want no bread. We have all wheat bread. A big bread we buy a country.
Yeah.
When we go a country, that can serve for Easter in the car. That's why I say I put it up in the fridge car. When you put it up in the fridge like for a week and so after it just tastes nice. When you just buy them then safi.
Yeah.
And true, I know I never have enough time to do, what's that thing? To make bread. Because these days my schedule is like seriously tight. I forgot St. Mary from when I'm in a go, but I have to work it out. I'm a very busy girl these days. Schedule tight, man. And it all get tighter too. Tighter too. Yeah. So, what you drink with feel? Like what you drink tea already. Because guys, the time is so hot right now. It's like maybe a little after 8 or to 8 I want to come at me now for the little butter when me eat. I don't know if I say I light and not heavy. So anybody want to come at me? I don't know it going. Me the last smarty fit. Anybody can come at. That makes no sense. Yeah, so I do some tomato. I do love tomatoes though. I love tomato. I do love some of them lad cut. Sometimes when you buy them, they're sour. But daddy, yeah, look good there, man. Yeah, You have some of the mine in your old days, yeah, boy?
Alright, me good with that.
You good with that? I love tomatoes. Tomatoes are
You know, I'm not a big eater already.
since when? None of that, you know, you scale down. But Parry, comment, is with age that we scale down, would you say, Dad? Is it with age that we scale down?
No.
But I think we care. The bacon is a little, slightly salty. You want black pepper?
No.
Maybe put just a little bit, not a lot of time for me. I should have covered the hot pepper, not for you. But, especially then we could tire the egg, yeah. So, me know them are going to say, hey, they go and roast out me the daylight off my food enough. Me must say the man stop me and a 3 egg and a 2 I have. So come in, Parry. That is what we're having for breakfast this morning. So, more to come at them like a summer morning breakfast, yeah, in a different space and so on and so forth. We're going to make it more feasible where we can jump on and go sell. Lord God, me never that use my head. Now go on and at all. Not conserving on the energy. Never gonna say that there is such a space. So I hope you do like our breakfast. If you do, let me know in the comments below. If you want to see some more of them summer morning breakfast here with me and Daddy in a different little space, please comment. I'll catch you again with another video. Please do enjoy. Mwah.